everyone. It's Miss Hodgson. I'm an English music and drama teacher based in London, and I've got all sorts of activities for you to try whilst you're at home. And today I wanted to share with you this brilliant picture book called Boy by James Mayhew. And in the blurb it says, "Boy woke up. It was cold in the cave. Where's warm?" said Boy. "Here with us," said Ma and Pa. Let's listen. Boy by James Mayhew. Boy woke up. It was cold in the cave. "Where's warm?" said Boy to his Ma and Pa. "Under the blankets with us," they said. "There's no room for me," said Boy. "Let me have your place." "You'll have to share," said Ma and Pa, but Boy didn't want to. Boy went outside and waited for the sun to come up. "Then it will be warm," he thought. But it was cloudy. Boy felt colder than ever. Boy went through the leafy green forest and sat in a tree. "Here's warm," he thought. "Brrr," said a hungry saber-toothed tiger. "This is my place. You can't stay here." "Why not?" said Boy. "Because I might eat you up," said the saber-toothed tiger. Boy didn't like that idea at all, so he ran off and sat in the long, tall grass. "Here's warm," he thought. "Troop," said a woolly mammoth. "This is my place. You can't stay here." "Why not?" said Boy. "Because I might step on you," said the woolly mammoth. Boy didn't like that idea at all, so he ran off and sat down on a round red rock. "Here's warm," he thought. "Oh," said a sleepy dinosaur. "This is my place. You can't stay here." "Why not?" said Boy. "Because I might roll over and squash you," said the dinosaur. Boy didn't like that idea either, so he ran over the hill and up a mountain. "Here's warm," he thought. "Here's very warm," and he lay down in the sand and fell asleep. Kaboom! The ground began to shake and the sky was filled with smoke. It was too warm for Boy. It was a fiery hot volcano. Boy ran back over the round red rocks, back through the long tall grass, back through the leafy green forest, and into the cold dark cave. He climbed under the blanket with Ma and Pa. "Here's warm," said Boy. "Can I share with you?" "Yes," said Ma and Pa. And there was just enough room. Well, I hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget there's all sorts of activities you can do associated with the story in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Have a lovely day.